It is Tuesday, September 12th. And of course, I have a new yarn in that I want to tell you about. It is called Carousel, and it is from Barocco. It is a blend of wool and acrylic, 52-48 acrylic. And it is sport to heavy fingering weight. And it has 418 yards in one ball, and the price is $23. So this is this that I have on, and this pattern is in the book. You can buy the patterns individually as well. So anyway, it's very fun. It's stripes, as you can see, and it patterns. So it's really kind of cool. So let's go through the pattern book, shall we? So the first one is a crochet pattern, which is always wonderful to have crochet. It's becoming more and more popular. We have just, our crochet group has grown exponentially. What they show is running this color of carousel with the Ariel mohair and running them together. Beautiful, right? Awesome. I happen to have both. Then the next pattern is this yummy sweater, which has an entrelac detail on the cuff and on the shawl collar and the two sides of the front. That is a combination of this one and this one from Ariel. Beautiful, huh? So fun. Who thought to run them together? Always makes something much more interesting. All right, the next one is this lovely pullover sweater with a little bit of a puffy sleeve. I think it's a top down, it is, but a full sleeve. Looks very nice. I think that one is done in this as well as this one. It's shown with a merlot mohair with it, but I decided to pair it with this sort of copper color. I really like that. I think it's quite pretty. So it's, I mean, this is their suggestions. You can do anything you want. You know, we're good at mixing and matching. This is held on its own, but that is a beautiful scalloped knitted scarf. And then there is this, which is a beautiful pullover with some detailing on the shoulder. I believe that is this color here. Kind of muted, not as bright as the other ones. And last but not least is the bandana that I have on, right? So lots of patterns in this booklet. The booklet is $19. And the two colors I have not shown you are these two. So there is an abundance of colors and lots of ideas. You could use this for any self-striping pattern that would be maybe a Fair Isle, and you didn't want to change colors and you just wanted to use one yarn to make your pattern in your yoke. Would be perfect. Perfecto. All right. Carousel. And the Ariel is 1750 a skein, just so you know. All right. What else do I know? I think there's a cold front coming through for all of us. I think the whole East Coast is going to come that way. Anyway, I think this might be our last 90s for one day, 90-degree day for a while anyway. So we'll look forward to that. It's time to put on your woolies and knit up. Remember, Christmas, Christmas, Christmas. I bet this did not take a whole ball. I bet this took about a half a ball or maybe less. Or I think you could get more than one thing if you did just the bandana. So what do I know? It's just a guess. All right, I think that's all I have. Any events coming up? Anything I need to tell you? No, I think I'm good. All right, I will see you tomorrow.